Hi, welcome to the video 37 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. In this video, you're going to learn how to remove the green screen from the clips, followed by if any blue screen also there, it works the same. If in case uneven things are there in this green screen, I'll show you at a glance how to remove it. If in case you want in-depth, very detailed video, let me know in the comments. I try to make another separate video apart from this course. So first, let's see how to remove the green screen or blue screen, anything you are having in the video. I took this as an example, a car moving. So I want to remove this green screen. Below that, I'll add one white color layer so that you can see the clear differences after applying this effect. So go to the effects panel and search for the key or ultra key. This we are going to add. Apply this to the layer, the green screen layer. Next, go to the FX control, scroll down, you can see the option ultra key. As you can see here, this is the eyedropper. Click on it, and if you press anywhere, it removes. And one tip here is, if you press the control or command option, just observe the ink slider. You can see the difference. It is taking more area as an reference. Since it is in even, it removed clearly. Even you can see it here. There is no spill, suppression, anything like that. This is the before, this is the after. It removed perfectly. So this is how you can remove the green screen. Even for the blue screen also, it works the same. If I enable this and press the control, as you can see, it removed the blue screen. Since our bottom layer is white color, that's why it is showing white. If I remove it, it shows black. Cool, right? So this is how you can remove the colors in your footage, guys. For example, if in case your footage is having lot of uneven things, they use a cloth on the back side where it's not flat and rigid, followed by the lighting is also not that great. On that cases, what you can do is select that clip, go to the opacity panel, just add a mask around the object. Once it is done, go to the lumetri color panel. Yes, you heard it right. Go to the lumetri color panel. You're not tweaking a lot of things here. Directly go to the curves section. Then go to the hue versus saturation. Click on it. And again press the control and select this so that the green layer is selected. Now simply increase the slider so that if any uneven spaces are there in the green screen, you are going to increase that. If in case there are some colors where they are mixed with yellow or green, on that time you can use the hue versus hue curve. If I apply the hue versus hue curve here, I can change the color pretty much like this. Let's say this is the color I want to remove. I go to the FX panel, apply the ultra key and remove this color. As you can see, it is removed. So this is the tip that I want to give in this color correction. The background green color removal. Yeah, that's pretty much about it, guys. This is how we can remove the green screen or blue screen or maybe anything, any color you are using for your videos. I hope this video helped you a lot, and especially this lumetri thing. This I learned way back, like almost 1 year back. It's a very good tip. That's why I added in this session. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you again in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to the side of it to get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel. See you in the next class.